Merge left, merge left, right lane closed. Do you think they're working on the pipeline? Merge left, merge left. I see a blinking sign. I think they're working. It went down to 21 Fahrenheit overnight. Right lane closed. Yesterday it looked deserted. All the pipes lying on the ground. Let's see if they're out here today. Get over to the left. They like to get a good run on it so people are not making last-minute lane changes for their safety. Look to the right, look to the right, look to the right. And they're doing fiber on the other side. See the pipes? So it's a small crew. One digger today. Look at how deep it is on the right. Boy, that's going to be fun. There's a guy standing there. Boy, they really got this blocked off. Look at the pylons. All the way to the road junction. They've already done it here. Okay, this comes to the end of it. Okay, that was our survey for today on the pipeline project along US 64 headed toward Ramsey. Steve, AB40L, saying see you at 73.